This is a 2024 Nissan Altima. What is the trim level of this one?
SV Premium.
SV Premium. Okay. 30,810. What a good price. That's a good price. Okay, black on black interior. It's got a large screen right off the bat. And what is this? What is this like trim? Is that like
Yeah, it's like it's wood simulation, but it's technically plastic.
Dude, the screen is crazy.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's a very large screen.
Oh yeah.
Apple CarPlay.
Yep. And this one's wireless Apple CarPlay. Wireless Apple CarPlay. Wireless. Because you got your wire charger. Right?
So it's got a. Okay, so it's got a wireless charger.
Yep. You got your speed limit recognition, telling you the speed limit of every single road that you're on. You got your sunroof, of course.
Okay, so it's got a sunroof.
Yep. You got your.
You can interrupt the voice prompt and give a command and
You
cancel
say, hey,
voice
Nissan,
recognition.
picture. Yeah, like I said, you got your speed limit every road.
It's got a like sporty steering wheel as well.
You got your adaptive cruise control. You know, your blind spot monitoring system. This is your Pro Pilot Assist, which is your lane keep assist.
Okay.
See, it's trying to recognize your wallet.
Oh.
There's your wireless charger. You good.
Oh, but it's a wireless charger for the phone, right?
For the phone. Yep.
Okay, okay.
Yep.
Honestly, this is a very nice cockpit. Very nice interior.
It's a fantastic car. Altima.
Oh, very nice steering wheel too.
Wireless
Wireless charger.
Yep.
Push start.
Yeah, remote engine start. This one's got your built-in. You can start your car from your phone. You know, it's got your SOS button, so you can start your car from your phone, lock it, unlock it from your phone. Yeah.
It's got a very striking front to it.
Oh yeah, it's a fantastic looking car. Gets 30 on the city, 37 highway. So yeah,
I'm pretty impressed with the Altima.
oh yeah.
My viewer was right. He was right.
Oh yeah, they weren't kidding.
I literally read the comment and I was like, all right, I'm gonna go check this out. I'm gonna take his word for it.
They weren't kidding when they told you.
So Mark, if you're watching this, buddy, you were absolutely right about the Nissan Altima 2024. It has a heads-up display feature, but I guess this one doesn't have it.
This one doesn't have it now.
So which one has the heads-up display? The HUD?
The top of the line.
Oh, okay.
The PC Turbo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Dude, I have to say, Nissan is killing it.
Yep. Does your Camry tell you speed limit or no?
No, I don't know. I haven't noticed, but this one, I just noticed it does.
Yep.
You can interrupt the voice prompt and cancel
I love the
voice
screen.
recognition.
We know that we can have the voice prompt. Yeah, you got. I love this. Got the navigation on this side. You got everything else.
Very beautiful, beautiful ride. Wow. I'm impressed. I have to say, one of my dream cars is the Nissan GTR.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would love to own a GTR one day, but those are kind of rare.
Yeah, they're kind of expensive. They're tough to find, you know.
Yeah, but they're like price aside, they're pretty tough to find.
Yep.
You'd have to go out of state, or you'd have to purchase a used one to get your hands on one. But I have to give the roses. You know, I have to give credit where it's due. Nissan. Oh wow, 460 miles on a full tank of gas as well.
Oh yeah.
So you're getting excellent fuel economy.
Yep.
You're not losing that on the Nissan. This one has heated in-cooled seats or not?
Just heated seats.
Okay, just heated seats. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't think my car has that, which
The
is
heated seats,
yeah.
Yeah. Like you said, man, nice to have. You know.
It's got like carbon fiber type trim, which is cool. Black on black. Oh, dude, I don't know. This one or a truck, it's a little bit confusing now.
I'll tell you, these are nice, man. Like I'm telling you.
It has the tinted windows already.
Yep. It's already tinted. Yep.
What are these buttons right here?
That's for.
This is a gauge cluster. This is trunk, and what is the steering wheel?
That's for your highway driving assist.
Oh.
So when you put your adaptive cruise control on the highway,
okay,
that thing keeps you in the middle of the lane.
Okay. And is the warranty the same on this?
Yep. Exactly the same.
I love the round and then the flat bottom.
Yep.
I love that. It gives it a very sporty feel when driving the car. Well, I mean, like I said, if you guys kill it with the numbers, I'll definitely take one home today.
Yeah, absolutely.
Totally be down to.
Yeah, man. This is, as far as payment wise, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. This would probably be more miles, but
Let's do it this one then. All right, we'll do this one instead of the truck. We'll do this one. I like this one a lot. It's very classy. It's giving me Audi vibes.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Yeah.
And I think the best part about this interior is that screen. That's a large screen.
This is like the 12-inch screen. Yep.
Yeah, that's much bigger than the 2025 Camry screen.
Yep. Look, and then you can. Yeah.
Dude, no way.
Yep.
That's a big screen.
Yeah.
Holy sh. That's wow. Guys, I think this might be the go-to car. Price, looks, interior quality, fuel economy. You know, I mean, you're pretty much. This is pretty much.
Blind spot monitor on the inside.
Okay, so you have the blind spot. You have the BSM inside the vehicle instead of on the side mirror. Which I think
is far over.
Yeah, you can kind of see it in your peripherals.
Peripheral vision.
Yeah,
you know?
they definitely took that. They definitely took that to account.
And you can mess with put the digital speedometer in front of you. You just mess through the prompts. You know, you can do. You just push the arrows over. It takes you to different menus. You know.
Okay.
See driver assist. There's your compass.
Oh, it's got a compass with your digital speedometer. That's cool.
I like it. I'm not gonna lie. I know it sounds crazy, but I love the speed limit recognition. I love that feature.
Yeah, that is pretty cool.
I wish my car had that feature.
Yeah.
That's one thing.
Well, it's big. They don't have that feature because scat packs are meant to go faster than the speed limit, right?
Yeah, well, maybe that's why. I don't know.
Yeah, they said, hey, somebody driving
Dodge
this car is not.
About
yeah,
that,
we
right?
don't care about the
Dodge
speed limit.
I was gonna say Dodge doesn't care, but
no. Joking aside, that is a really cool feature.
Yeah, you can see like if you reset your fuel economy, you can see how much. Like I'm telling you, on a road trip, you can get like 40 miles a gallon and stuff.
Yeah, that's Camry numbers. I would say 40. I get like 45 on mine. Yep. Not too much off.
Not too much off.
Am I gonna hit Orange Park?
Yep, you're gonna go toward this one again.
Got you.
Jack's Beaches.
Got you.
I'm telling you, yeah, like literally. That's I wish I got that in my scat pack. Can't even get 20.
Dude, tell me about that.
Yeah.
I was getting 15 miles per gallon the way I drove my Camaro, so
yeah.
You know, it is what it is. But like I said, we don't buy those cars for
I didn't buy
economy.
It for fuel economy. You know,
and I mean, it didn't make sense for me to use it for the purpose.
This is a car I would buy to drive every single
daily
day.
A daily, yes. This is a beautiful daily.
I would love this car to drive a daily. Just because you're gonna get 35 to 40 miles a gallon. You're gonna have good,
it's so classy inside too, bro.
This is fantastic.
The interior is so classy. I can't really say anything besides it being so elegant.
Flat
it's very elegant.
Wheel, you know, like that's.
It's got the little like carbon fiber touch that matches my wallet, my Ridge wallet. Yep. I got the carbon fiber trim wallet as well.
Right
so
there, yep.
I mean, hey, bro, like this is pretty much.
Is that an AirTag on there?
Yep.
That's smart, dude.
Yeah, so I don't lose my wallet.
That's smart, dude. I need to do that. I need to take a page.
Yeah, you got to get the Ridge wallet.
Is that? Oh, it comes with the AirTag holder, right?
No, you have to buy it separately.
But it has the holder on it, right?
Yeah, so you have to buy the AirTags separately, and then you got to buy the clip separately as well, and then you put it on the wallet.
I saw this on Instagram. Is that what you got it from?
Yeah, the Ridge. Yeah, they have really good marketing. So I did notice it on Instagram, but you could buy it from Best Buy. That's where I bought mine from.
You bought from Best Buy?
Yeah.
How much was it?
111 for the carbon fiber option. But they have some that are like 70.
Really?
Yeah.
I think it's supposed to just be for the look. You know what I mean? And you get the AirTag.
Yeah. The AirTag holder is like 20 bucks.
Yeah.
Give or take 20 bucks. So yeah, it's a good wallet. But I like how it matches the trim of the car.
Oh yeah.
No, I think I'm gonna get this over the Frontier. Honestly. It's a better price. I mean, it's a more affordable price.
Yeah.
I think you're getting a lot more features. What is this guy?
No, it's on the Altima. Come on.
Altima. Altima.
Beat up. Yeah.
Well, that's a honk test.
Yep.
It's got an interesting tone to it.
The horn? Yeah.
The horn has an interesting tone to it.
Yeah. Not
like
super loud, but
it's not super loud, but it's like European. It's giving me like you're like in a movie, you're watching like a James Bond movie, and then you just hear, you know, like a jigsaw. Yeah, that's crazy. It gives me a European vibe. The horn. a V6?
It moves, doesn't it?
Yeah, is this, what is this?
4-cylinder.
4-cylinder.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it moves.
Oh wow.
Yeah, this thing will get.
It moves, yeah.
Yeah, this will get.
Wow. I see another one right there.
Yep.
What happened to the Maximas?
They topped them. They discontinued them.
Oh man, those were nice.
They were
good-looking
nice cars.
too.
They're gonna bring it back apparently as an electric car. So
Oh wow.
yeah, you know.
Dude, what if they make a hybrid Altima? I bet you that'd be like the bestseller car.
That's how everyone's going. Everyone's going to
Hybrid or all EV.
Yeah. Well, I think eventually it's gonna, I don't know, go that route someday.
Yeah.
But I think everyone's going that route someday.
Yeah, for sure.
But this thing, I'm telling you, it gets hybrid. They keep it.
They get the fuel economy. Yeah, you can
hybrid
compete.
Gas mileage. Yeah?
You could for sure compete with a hybrid on fuel economy in this car for sure.
Oh,
no,
yeah.
I agree with you.
That's one thing I love about the Altimas. The fuel economy, just the classiness. It's bigger than a Sentra. You know, it's got all the room you need, and they killed it with the premium package where they put the bigger touchscreen in there. And, you know, they did a good job.
I mean, Nissan has engineered some of the best sports cars in the world, like the Z and the GTR. So it's like you're gonna expect a good performance and good quality craftsmanship in these vehicles. Wow, it's just made my decision all that much harder. But again, whoever has the best price is gonna win ultimately.
Yeah.
At this point, because they're all great cars, man. Yeah. They don't make any bad cars anymore.
Make you the best deal, you know.
Are these also Altimas right here?
Yeah, those are the used ones. Those are pre-owns.
Okay, got you.
That's our pre-owned section right there.
All right, we'll park this one next to the front.
Okay, next to the Frontier.
Beautiful cars, man. I really appreciate you for showing me and being a great sales rep.
No problem, man. That's what I'm here for, man. I'm here to help you guys out. You need to help you out.
Yeah, I really appreciate that. And I'm gonna just do a walk around on the outside, and then we'll go inside and do numbers.
Absolutely.
Cool, man. Great car. Wireless CarPlay, right? You said?
Yeah, wireless.
Okay.
This one's wireless CarPlay. Because you got the wireless charger. That's how you know what these have. You got a wireless charger, you got wireless CarPlay.
Got you. This is the outside. It looks really, really clean. It's a good looking, aerodynamic looking vehicle. Actually a really nice car. I'm not even bullshitting. It's really a nice car. Look at the angles on this car. It's got really nice angles, like cuts. Beautiful rims. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I will see you in the next one.